She was 24 years old, just graduated from college, and he was only 3 months. A baby left outside a hospital in a cardboard box. Beside him was a note that read, "I'm sorry, please love him." No one came to claim him, no relatives, no phone calls, just silence. The news named him Baby Elijah. Everyone assumed he would grow up in an orphanage, except Rachel. Rachel had no plans of becoming a mother. She was just a volunteer in the hospital nursery. But the first time she held Elijah in her arms, his tiny hand wrapped around her finger and never let go, and neither did her heart. The agency told her, "You are too young, you are single, and you have no experience." She simply said, "I don't have a husband, I don't have wealth, but I do have love, and that's what he needs most." Rachel adopted Elijah. People often noticed the contrast, her fair skin and his deep brown curls. They whispered, "Is he really her child? This won't last. He'll resent her when he grows up." But they never saw how Elijah would cling to her during storms, how she worked 3 jobs to pay for his piano lessons, and the moment he first called her mom, she couldn't stop crying. She raised him with courage, with stories, with unconditional love. Years passed. Elijah grew into a tall, kind, and brilliant young man. When he turned 18, he got accepted into Harvard on a full scholarship. At the graduation dinner, standing on stage, he said, "People always asked me where my real mom was. Well, here she is. The woman who chose me when no one else did, who gave me a name, a home, a future. She didn't just give me life, she saved it." There wasn't a dry eye in the room. Rachel was crying, but Elijah smiled, leaned down, and whispered in her ear, "Mom, you're still holding my hand, and I'm never letting go."
That was today's story from Labi Lubab. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. In your host, Muhammad Salim Ko J. Wadia. Allah Hafiz.